How to clean and sanitize your lashes. So you'll need water, rubbing alcohol, a spoolie or brush, tweezers, Q-tips, and of course your used lashes. So I've worn these lashes 10 times, and as you can see, there's glue on the band, but they are definitely worth reusing. So what we're going to do is remove the glue, sanitize them, and get them nice and pretty to wear again. So you want to grasp the lash on the band when you're pulling the glue off with your tweezers. You don't want to pull on the hairs because it could pull the hairs out. Then you want to take some water on a Q-tip and just clean away the glue, and then dip your Q-tip into some alcohol and sanitize your lash band. Then you want to take your brow wand or your spoolie and just brush out and fluff the hairs of the lashes. This is what's going to make them really pop and come back to life. So you're going to repeat the same process on your second lash.
Hips tick tock when I dance. On that demon time, she might start her OnlyFans. Big B and that B stand for bands. If you wanna see some real ass, baby, here's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it low and swing. Texas up in this thing, put you up on this game. I be parking my frame, gang, 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 gang. If you don't jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Please don't give me hype, write my name in ice. Can't argue with these lazy bitches, I just raise my price. I'm a boss, I'm a leader, I pull up in my two-seater, and my mama was a savage. Nigga got this shit from Tina, I'm a savage, yeah. Classy.
It's okay to lose a hair or two when you're brushing your lash. Just think about it as if you're brushing your hair, you're going to lose a couple of hairs. So it's natural and it's okay. All done. Your lashes are like new again, and you can reuse Lash Brat mink lashes up to 20 times with proper care, and really beyond that. So if you do this process frequently, you'll keep your lashes in really good shape, and you'll be able to reuse them over and over and over again. Now you want to tuck your lashes back into their tray in their box to keep them in good shape and to prevent dust and debris from getting on them. You can purchase these lashes at lashbrat.com. These are the Ivy lashes, mink, multi-tiered, and beautiful.